Welcome back to Crazy Lizzie Goat Farm and More.
Really?
Really?
Uh-huh.
And today we've got company over and we're showing them our farm animals.
Our farm.
Yes.
Farm day.
Farm day. Farm day. And we're also going to let them milk.
Yes.
Teach them how to milk goats. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And walk that way. Scan that way.
Oh, there,
no,
look.
up about that time.
There we go. I done it.
All
See?
right.
No, she did everything first, then she did him first, the remainder. This month, on the third part of season 24, this month. There's a lot of episodes this season. They're started where Paul won. That's a lot of episodes.
I know.
Alright, bring the bucket now, Haley.
I got off my dick alone.
Alright, now don't waste the milk, baby. Go ahead and put the
It's
bucket.
okay.
Alone.
It's just having fun experience.
That's a lot of episodes.
Well, you know what you do, don't you? If she sprays you, you spray her.
Yeah. About 10 minutes. To have fun.
Right here.
That's how it looks. I'm sorry. That's how it looks. Okay. You ain't gonna hurt all.
Okay, same thing. You go through this too.
You ain't gonna hurt. This is a big thing.
That's good.
There we go.
Haley, that's good.
See, look.
Look at the milk coming out.
Science.
Y'all learn something new.
It's milky by itself.
Yeah.
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 Oh, look. There's nothing there now. I'm going to take my thumb and pop it off.
I don't think our thumb's big enough. Wait, still.
There we go.
Mine's even my dog is.
No, okay. I'm hoping to get better.
There goes a foot. Look, y'all, he's looking at his hand.
You're trying to beat my backer? No. Man, I was hoping someone would beat my backer.
You just gotta get a rhythm of it.
She's trying to hit me as if you would hit me with it.
Keep your thumb straight.
Look, she's getting milk. You might get kicked.
Brothers and sisters. And then back there is brothers and sisters.
Watch on out, they're helpful.
I want to pet that one. See, I can't get close enough. And that one.
Susan.
It's right. You might have got beans in it. You feel like beans?
Now they're tasting goat milk for the
Whatever
first
you want to put
time.
in it. There you go.
I mean, I like you want to eat plate, you like your food or something. Or anything. Like take one taste, well, yeah.
What about you?
The same.
Goat milk?
Or chocolate
Here, drink the
soup.
rest of it.
Teresa, you want to try some?
I tried yours again, didn't like it, but thank you.
Okay, chocolate.
Well, I'll taste a little bit, see if it tastes. I'll taste it.
Okay, chocolate.
Here, Thomas, let me taste yours. Let me taste yours.
All right, now Teresa's tasting
I'm
it.
done getting
Now you guys have to mix.
Tastes pretty good. Don't taste near as bad as it did when I was young.
Sit, girl. Sit, girl. Sit, girl. Sit.
Man, never know that.
Sit, girl.
Different Havana.
Oh, yeah.
I get a clean table. I get to put them in. I don't get to leave it.
Don't bite. Please don't bite him.
Okay, now they're trying my goat cheese.
You got garlic in it?
Clean up.
They're making ice cream now. Looks like hard work.
It's pretty worried up.
It's not hard work. It's heavy.
Do I have to jump into it?
Whatever you want to do.
Hey, let's get back over here.
Yeah, keep on shaking it.
I shake it too hard.
How's your ice cream?
You know what I'm talking about?
Delicious.
But all we got is chocolate strawberry. Just plain flavor.
Granny, I'm holding a baby turkey. I'm holding it. I don't remember what Cam Colton called that. When it's Christmas, Thanksgiving, or something like that.
Perch, please perch.
No, go.
Please start over. It's restart.
Okay, go.
Okay, Thomas. Please like. Please subscribe.
Subscribe is down there.
Go.
Please like. Please subscribe.
And hit the annoying bell.
And leave a comment.
Leave a comment.
In.
And bye ya.
Bye.
You
I was
gotta
forced to
sit
do
your legs.
this.